Up, everybody? We'll make another trip to gym today. Super excited. Maybe. My body's still sore. Look, we're riding the motorcycle, and guess what? I cleaned Jesse's car this weekend. I think she looks purty. But we're on our way to the gym. Go get our workout in. Ugh. Today I'm thinking legs and arms, but it could always change, but that's what I would like to hit for today. What am I doing? Key on, then you strike ignition. Come on, Brennan. Oops. That was scary, but let's go to the gym, go get our swole on. Don't hit Jesse's car. But let's start rolling. There's someone coming. So, what's going on, everybody? Like I said, I'm gonna start trying to post more motorcycle videos. I absolutely love riding. If you got anybody on the, I guess we'll just say Houston area. Woo! Hold on, that pre-workout making me burpy, my bad. But, if you got anyone in the Houston area that sees these videos or whatever and is down to ride, please hit me up. Comment down below or whatever, I'll try and get in contact with you. Because I want to find more people to ride with. Now, I know there's groups and stuff like that too. But I think it's always cool meeting up with individuals. I feel like you get to know people a little bit more, or whatever. I don't know. Maybe I could go to the group. But if you want to ride, hit me up. Comment down below. We're on the way to the gym. Going to LA Fitness. Red Line Robbers. Somebody coming this way? We got one right. Oh, they're cutting it close. Motorvlogging so far has been exciting. But let me tell y'all about today. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna have it. So today is a very interesting day, and I got a little ticked off today. But what it has taught me is to look past. Do not let anybody, you know, get to your nerves and stuff like that. Life is not worth the stress. Enjoy life. You know, if you get stressed out by something, don't try and let it eat you and you hold on to it. Try and get past it, because you need to be happy and enjoy life. So let's ride, let's go to the gym. I also have some stickers. I need to start putting some stickers on my bike so people could possibly check out the channel and TikTok and stuff like that more. I just don't know. I mean, I guess you put them down here. Maybe here. I don't know. But yeah, don't let anybody get you down. I mean, I know people are going to stress you out. It's inevitable. You can't get past that. But don't let it eat you away. Just remember, you know, you got one life. Enjoy it. Don't let stress define who you are. Just have a great time, and I'm rolling backwards, and I'm going to the gym. Go try and work out these skinny ass legs and make them stronger. Oh, beautiful people, we are done with the gym for today. Absolutely red legs. Jeez Louise. It felt amazing. I don't know, y'all should ask me some questions on whether y'all are seeing this on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or whatever. And I'll try and answer them as I'm riding. If you want to, a little Q&A while I'm riding. I'm sure y'all might enjoy that a little bit. Yeah, if y'all want to ask me questions or what might have you, please feel free. I would be obliged to answer. I would. It'd be nice to answer. Okay. I'll answer it for you. Okay, that's what I meant to say. But I'm willing to ride. This light's taking forever. Maybe these people need to move up on this sensor. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have went through the yellow light. Oh no, oh yeah, okay. Baby rock, woo, and roll. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. My legs feel amazing. Go ahead, bro. Look at me. Look at these pale, white ass legs. Look at them. They're white. Baby rock. Oh, I know that, Sheriff. I've been on scenes with that dude. Baby rock. That is slippery. That is slippery. Let's get away from that. That's better. What's up, y'all? Sorry, the end of my video quality got messed up for some reason. I don't know why. But if you like these type of videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope to see y'all again on the next one. Remember, hit that bell icon if you want to get updates on my most recent videos. Hope y'all have a great night. Peace out, y'all.